Okay, y'all, there's another round of stimulus money in the talks. Nothing is finalized yet. They're in the beginnings of talking about it. And if you remember back when they first started talking about the little $1,200 that they sent out to everyone, how long it actually took them to get it passed and done, this will take even longer because it's a bigger bill, a much bigger bill. So, what they're proposing is all Americans 16 years of age and over will be getting $2,000 a month for the next year. They're saying 6 months, and then if the unemployment rate hadn't got over, I think it's 60%, they said that they will extend it for another 6 months, which would be a year. Okay, but it'd be $2,000 for individuals 16 years of age and over. Everyone's included. Disability, people that don't work, everyone will be included in this. Married couples, $4,000 for each child. Up to 3 children would be $500 extra for each up to 3. So a married couple gets 4,000, single person gets 2,000, and each child gets 500. That's each month for the next 6 months, maybe even a year. But they're still just talking about it. They're going to hash it out. They've got 2 rounds of votes on it. It's got to go to the House and to the Senate. Both of them's got to vote on it before it goes to the president. And if the president vetoes it, then it can go back to the House and they can pass it anyway. So most likely some form of this will be passed. It may not be the $2,000 that they're wanting to get. It may be a little bit less. But anything's a big help. It shows they're trying. And just my opinion, this is going to cost I think it's like $300 billion a month, and over the year it would be 200 something trillion. I forgot. It's a hell of a big number anyway. But this, just my opinion, I think that they will get the country back open and running as fast as possible to eliminate having to go the whole year on this, because that's going to be a big expense. But right now they're trying to get the 2,000 for singles, 4,000 for married couples, and 500 for each child. Like I said, nothing's set in stone, so don't go spending money yet. Don't count the chickens before you get the egg. Okay. Now, this being said, this money is to pay your bills, buy your necessities. Now, if you're not impacted, you're still going to get this money. Do something worthwhile on it. Don't just go to Walmart and buy a 60-inch color TV. Do something worthwhile with this money, because this is going to be a hell of a boost to your income. At least $2,000 a month. That's just free money. Do something good with it. Start a business. Make a savings account. So if something like this happens again, you're set. You never know. Be prepared. So keep your fingers crossed. Talk to the man upstairs. Maybe he can help us with this stimulus package, get it passed, and get it passed fast. I think it's going to be a while. I'm going to predict 2 months before it even gets passed, and probably another month before you get your first payment. That's just me thinking. I have no knowledge of this. It's just me thinking. But it'll be good when it happens, if it happens. Y'all, please subscribe to my channel. It will help me out tremendously. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. And until the next time, I love y'all. Keep your chins up. We're going to get through this.